Cable tie binder operation introduction. Clip loading procedure. Take out the belt from the body. Hold the body and both sides of the pusher. Carefully pull it out from the body. Insert the clip stick into the front end of the body completely, and then pull it out to close the clip into the body. Put the pusher back. Pass belt through the main body and pull out the belt from the front end. Installed. Install one time can binder 20 times. Usage. Pull out the belt from the front end of the body as shown in the diagram. Wrap the belt around the object from below and insert the belt into the clip completely. Position the binder against the object to be bound, and pull the belt without moving the binder. Ensure that there is no looseness. Push the lever to cut the belt. Belt replacement. First, open the belt case at the first direction of the arrow. Take off the empty belt bobbin and wrap a new one round the bobbin as shown in the diagram. Pass belt through the main body. Close the case as per direction of the arrow after wrapping up the belt. Demonstration. Announcements. 1. The belt may become hard if it is dry. Moisten it to make it easy to use. 2. The belt may break with excessive force. 3. Ensure the belt mesh with the clip and then pull on the belt. Caution is required when using the binder at high locations. Thanks for watching.